Hi, I'm Jack. I'm going to take you around this brand new Volkswagen.
Here we've got the fantastic brand new ID.3 Pro Launch Edition 3, finished in a lovely Moonstone grey in combination with a black roof as well. It's got your 58 kilowatt battery producing 204 PS and giving you a range of up to 258 miles. Left peace of mind motoring this vehicle with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty alongside 12 months roadside assistance as well. So now for the front, you've got adaptive cruise control as well as those full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side, you get these beautiful 20-inch Sanya alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. Also notice the camera lenses just underneath the wing mirrors and at the front for the fantastic 360 camera system on this vehicle. You have a huge amount of boot space also available with split folding seats and also a load-through hatch as well for any longer items. And moving inside, you've got lovely part leather, part Alcantara seats with a centre armrest and a couple of cup holders. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for your rear passengers to charge their devices. At the front of the vehicle, you've got the updated cabin with the brand new materials on the door cards and also on the dashboard as well. You've also got these gorgeous pocket style seats with the ID logo on the top there as well. You've also got the Ergo comfort setting with memory adjustment for multiple drivers. You've also got the head-up display with augmented reality as well, as well as digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth. This vehicle also gets the fantastic Beats sound system. It sounds absolutely fantastic, with the surround settings as well, as I'll show now. It's got multiple sound profiles also available. You also got satellite navigation on board with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. It'll also show charging stations as well. Alongside this, you've also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got the ambient lighting pack available, there's loads of different colours to choose from depending on your preference, and also these preset light themes. As I mentioned earlier, you've also got the fantastic 360 camera system as well as front and rear parking sensors to aid whilst parking. You've got the dual zone climate control available, it's nice and easy to adjust with a heated steering wheel and heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. You've also got the latest safety systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including blind spot monitoring and much more. There's also multiple driving modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. As you can see the Beats audio logo just on the A-pillar there as well. And a little bit further down the cabin, got a couple of cup holders, as well as a couple more USB ports and wireless phone charging, and plenty of storage down below as well.
This vehicle comes with 3 years warranty as well as 12 months roadside assistance. For any more information, please give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.